Welcome to Sfile, the company that is changing the economics of discovery. For this demo, we will focus on using the Sfile Universal Document Viewer. To activate the viewer, I will click on the Preview button, and this will open the frame for the image viewer. Now, if I click on a specific file, I will now be able to see the document here below that I've selected. If we need more screen size, I can click on the little blue push pin icon in the upper right hand corner to unsnap it from its position or undock it, and I'm able to resize this image. If I decide to put the viewer back in its place, I'll press that push pin again and then later undock it. The viewer will remember the size and location. We have some information here at the top. We can see the name of the file that we are previewing. Next, we can see, in this case, the subject line of the email message. We also can see which folder this message came from. If we decide to, we can click on this link and see all the documents within this folder. There are multiple ways to view documents in Image Viewer: image, PDF, text, and download. First, if you look over here on the right side, you'll see image, and this is a TIFF on-demand function. After that is PDF, text, and we have a download function. Image Viewer is a server-based rendering, which means no work is performed on your computer. Instead, it's performed on an Sfile server, and the results are presented back to you through our Universal Viewer. In this case, for an email message, we can see key message data at the top of the message, and you can scroll down through the content, and this document has an attachment which we can tell here by the dotted line break, and the name of the attachment provided here on the left in bold blue text. The attachment through XML will be displayed in line with the message, and we come down to the end of the document and we can see some of the key metadata about it. If we desire to see this in a TIFF view, we would go back over here to the right to the image viewer. Go ahead and click on that. And now we can see the image. We can see it in more of a print preview mode. If I choose a thumbnail view over here on the left side, I can see the additional pages of the message along with the attachment. So I can directly jump to the attachment. Across the top here, I have a number of controls, and the first one on the left is redaction, which allows me to draw a redaction box, and that will be semi-transparent to the reviewer, but when the document has been produced as a TIFF or PDF, this box will be burned as a black image and will OCR the image to make sure that the redacted content does not make it through. We also have the ability to embed a link. So this allows a user to copy and paste a link to this document and paste it into their email and send this email to another user in the system, and they would log in and click on this link and see the document. Some of the other options here at the top: you can zoom in and zoom out of a document, fit the width, find the best fit, or rotate documents. If you look over on the right, we also include the PDF viewer. This is another way to look at the documents, and this is beneficial as you can search within a document. We also have the text option. We have a downloaded security option here that can be turned on or off for each individual user. This concludes the demo overview of the Sfile Image Viewer. Thank you.